Hi everybody, my name's Tay and I'm here in my home kitchen and I am the fortunate recipient of 2 DIY burger kits from Farmburguesa. Shout out to Jimmy Delgado and Cat Pascal. They are keeping it rolling in these weird times, and personally I've ordered lunch from them twice, working down at Black Dog. They're right around the corner. They have a restaurant in Grandin and Vinton. But today I am making 2 burgers, both of which I've had in the restaurant. Making the Inferno burger and the Caprese burger. The Inferno burger has just the right amount of heat, and the Caprese is just amazing with basil and balsamic vinaigrette. It's awesome. But here's what you get. You get the burger kits. So I think these come with every burger. You get the patty, you get their seasoning, and you get the bun. And then you get burger-specific topping kits. So this one's the Caprese. Let's open that up. And you get, looks like tomato, basil, balsamic, some oil, and some green stuff, and some fresh slices of mozzarella cheese. Ooh. And now for the Inferno, you get, looks like ranch, some peppers, and some of their special hot sauce. And look at that fresh leaf of lettuce. Oh, and probably some spicy pepper jack cheese. I am no chef, and you'll probably find that out here in just a second. But I imagine the first step is to cook the burger. So we're gonna pop these open. Look at this. I'm just cooking in a big nonstick pan because I'm gonna do 2 burgers at a time. So I'll be able to get 2 patties in here and be able to put the buns in here afterwards and toast them. So I'm gonna let that get hot. I believe back at the restaurant, they do them like smash burger style. So they'll put this on there, let it sizzle for a bit, and then take the spatula and smash it down. At which point, I believe I'll put their seasoning on the burger, probably followed by the cheese while it's hot, and then the rest of the toppings. And then I'll toast the buns, and then we're gonna have dinner. Farmburguesa uses locally raised beef, grass-fed beef, and you can tell, it is delicious. Turn my vent on, and we're gonna throw these burgers in. Get up in, ooh! See these going in. Burgers are in. I think I'm a little hot, but that's all right, we'll figure it out. Non-stick is great because it doesn't stick, how about that? I don't think you wanna smash them right away, but I might be making that up completely. Look at those, huh? I've always loved the buns they use at this restaurant. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna smash the burger down. Oh yeah, just like that. The patties are smashed. I'm gonna let those go for a little while. Okay, good. They give you these awesome little cups of seasoning, so I'm gonna throw some of that on there.
2 shots of vodka.
Smells so good. I'm gonna prep my toppings. The Inferno burger, you get this great slice of pepper jack cheese, you get the Inferno sauce, you get this awesome little bit of spicy peppers, and some ranch. Who doesn't love ranch? If you don't love ranch, get out of here. I'm cooking for my girlfriend and she ordered the Caprese. Clearly, you can tell I don't host cooking shows for a living. All right, now we're gonna go back over here, check in with our burgers, and I know you're not supposed to mess with it, but this is my kitchen, and I get to make my own rules. So I flip another smash. I'm gonna throw some of this seasoning on there. Oh yeah. Might be a little much. Who cares? Turn the heat down a little bit. Perfect. The Caprese we got, look at that. Fresh slices of tomatoes, fresh basil. Oh, smell that, get in there. We got some oil. We got, is this pesto? Oh, that's pesto. It's fresh pesto, everybody. My mom used to make fresh pesto when I was a kid. Oh, and then we got balsamic vinaigrette. Look at that stack. We got 2 slices of fresh mozzarella. Beautiful. Let me get these buns ready. Gosh, it's fast. What, 20 minutes you get dinner? I'm gonna have a beer. How hard can it be? Starting to smell just like the restaurant. Bring my buns in here. Look at that. So you get to toast those buns in the burger juice. Look at that. So we're gonna start with the Inferno. We're gonna go patty down. We're gonna do pepper jack, just like that. We're gonna do lettuce, peppers, Inferno sauce. I don't know if that's what it's called, but we're gonna pretend it is. And we're gonna do some ranch. Yeah. Put the rest of the ranch up here, and we're gonna come down like that. Inferno burger. Now, for the Caprese, we're gonna go bun down, patty down, fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, just like that, basil, pesto. Oh, look at that beautiful color. And then a little bit of oil. Put oil on here. And balsamic. Now this is what's beautiful to see it drizzled. Oh, look at that. Okay, over. Boom. This one is for my girlfriend. You guys ready for the Inferno? Here it is. Look at that, perfect medium rare. You can cook it, obviously, as well done as you want. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You know, honestly, that was a lot of fun. And this is perfect if you're not that great of a cook, you don't really know what goes with what, how to pair ingredients. Everything you need comes in the box, ready to go. This was great. So guys, just one more thing that our awesome community is offering for you to be able to do at home, safe, socially distant from everyone. Hit up Jimmy or Kat, the wonderful owners of Farmburguesa. They have a store in Grandin and a store in Vinton. Order your DIY burger kit today. I believe they still deliver if you're close. You could also do curbside pickup, but I highly recommend it. This was super fun and it tastes just as good as it does in the store. So I'm gonna finish my burger. You guys order yourself one. Bye.